a lot in the past, especially when I was learning how to 3D print, because he would actually answer questions on how to do things in a timely fashion, and he would have live streams where you could go onto his live stream and he would help you understand what's going on with 3D printing. Um, Tammy M. Cleo 808, thank you for joining us today. We've got another really good channel is Maker's Muse. He will explain all kinds of cool things that you can do with 3D printing, and he's been around for a long time. There's also the Make Everything channel, which is really good with 3D printing and stuff. Um, we've got, can't remember, how do you call this? 3D Printing Pro. 3D Printing Pro is another really cool channel. He'll do stuff with resin printing. Most of the other channels are more or less on the plastic printing, 3D printing, but he does more of that. And thank you for showing up, Naj Hakareen. Thank you so much for joining us on this live stream today. Man, we're having a full house here today on the TikTok. It is so good to be here on the TikTok. So what do we got? We've got also Uncle Jesse. Uncle Jesse is another good 3D printing um, channel, and it's got a bit of both. So like 3D Printing Pro, it's got a lot of resin printing that happens over there, but plastic printing too. And then we've got 3D Printing Nerd, which is probably the most well-known 3D printing channel out there. I used to like it more before it got big with the sponsorship and stuff. I think that the overall content was more fun to watch in the beginning than it is now, but it is now gotten really professional and stuff. So in some ways it's better now. In some ways it's not as authentic and as cool as it used to be. The 3D Printing Nerd channel with Joel Telling, um, one of my heroes, let's say, for 3D printing. Anyway, then you've got Heliox, if you understand French. Yo, what's up, Stupid Face? What is it? Stupid Face McGee. Thank you for joining us here on the channel today. Awesome that you're here. So Heliox is a 3D printing reviews channel that is really good, but it is in French, so you do need to understand French to understand what's going on over there. But I love it a lot. It is great. Then you've got 3D Printing Noob, which has rebranded his channel as something else. I can't really tell what it is. Something Makers, I don't know. And 3D Printing FDM is another good one. Excuse my humanity for a second. Thank you so much.